Hello everyone! Through this video, I will guide you on how to connect and set up the diffuser via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Step 1. Install the device. First, install the device in the desired location. Place it in the center of the room, avoiding installation near the entrance. Power supply 220 volts. Ensure your device is connected to a constant power source. 2. Install the application. Download the Aroma IoT app from Google Play or the App Store. Step 3. Register and log into your account. Click on Register to create an account. Use your email to register a new account. Press Send code will send a verification code to your email. After successfully registering, use your new account to log in. Step 4. Connect your device via Bluetooth. Tap on the Bluetooth icon or the plus symbol in the top right corner of the screen. After scanning Bluetooth, select the device code you want to connect to and press Device Pairing. Step 5. Customize settings. State working, the device is on. State standby, the device is off. Press Scent Type to name the type of aromatic essential oil. Name the scent type to help classify and manage multiple devices. Press Fan to turn the fan on and off. Fan will help increase or decrease the diffusion intensity. Please note that the fan is always on for optimal performance. Press Oil Level to set the percentage ratio of essential oil capacity. The app will automatically calculate the consumption level. Press Timer to set the operating time for the device. Tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to add a new time period. You can set up to 5 time periods. Tap on each time period to customize the details. Customization parameters. Choose timer name to rename. Choose working time to set running time. Choose pause time to set pause time. Choose available to set days of the week. Choose turn on to set start time. Choose turn off to set stop time. Press USE in the top right corner to save settings. Step 6. Connect the device via Wi-Fi. First, you need to connect the device via Bluetooth, Step 1 to Step 4. Then, select Wi-Fi connection button in the middle of the screen to connect the device to Wi-Fi. You can customize the name and group for the newly connected device. The green Wi-Fi icon indicates that the device is connected. Step 7. Authorize device management. Select Authorize to grant device management permissions. Enter the email of the account needing authorization. Select license length and press Done. Congratulations on completing the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi setup for your device. For more information, please contact Hotline 0914-300-438. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.